Thank you, Damien. And Lauren, that was a lot of hustle working from the keynote. All right, we're very excited to hear what you think of Figma Buzz. So notes and availability. The beta for Figma Buzz is rolling out today to all users. And when it exits beta, it will be included on the full and dev seats, as well as a content seat, which is new and available later this year. This seat is for your collaborators who contribute content for Buzz, Site CMS, and other products down the road. It will also have access to FigJam and slides. So we hope this makes Figma more accessible to everyone who has need to contribute content to the design process. All right, y'all ready for our last announcement of the day? For our last announcement, we're going to bring it right back to where we started, and that is Figma Design. When we started Figma, one of the first things we worked on was trying to challenge the existing conventions around vector editing. That led us to a bunch of explorations on what we call vector networks. Evan, my co-founder, in particular, really wanted to figure out a different way to do paths. And I'm super proud of where we got to with this. That was also a long time ago. And since then, over the years, we've accumulated some long-standing issue. Anyone here recognize this? I'm so sorry. Whether it's Boolean ops, flattening vector objects, outlining strokes, we know there's a lot to fix. And so we did a complete rewrite of this functionality to improve core vector editing. We're bringing more visual expression into the Figma editor. 22 new features and improvements, to be exact. Are you all ready for this? To walk us through all of that, please welcome the instigator of this effort, an engineering leader on our team, and the product lead for this effort, Lauren Bedorek.